welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna just do a quick little my makeup routine when I'm in a rush. Gotta go. So it's gonna be quick, short, sweet, and to the point. But this is like my everyday routine. Like I just finished washing my face and getting that together. Washing my hair, getting that together. So I'm gonna get started. So beautiful, isn't it? I'll put the link to where you can purchase this. I have an online site. I do make my own beauty products. I have so much more coming soon. So stay tuned and I'm gonna show you how amazing this is. I just put a little bit on my hand. It's amazing. And I'm no professional at all. This is just what I do. This is just what I've learned over the years and what works for me. If you guys have any tips for me, any product suggestions, please tell me, because girl, she is no pro. She just be making it happen how she make it happen. And I'm all finished. Comment, like, subscribe, hit your girl up. Let me know what looks you want to go for. And tell me what kind of videos you want to see. Like, I'm trying to get y'all everything that y'all want, okay? I got some skincare stuff coming up. So just stay tuned. You know, check back with your girl.
Just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long. Pull up when I call.